what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. And today I have here a model kit which was released by Sunrise Studios in the year 2013. And this is from the Mecha anime Valvrave The Liberator. And this is the Valvrave 4, a green colored Mecha model kit. To be honest, I much like the protagonist, which is the Valvrave 1, but unfortunately I cannot find that anymore, and it's very hard to find, and if you find one, it's very overpriced, and that's why I decided to look for the supporting characters or supporting mecha kits, and this is the cheapest kit that I bought, which is the Valvrave 4, a green colored model kit. To be honest, I don't have anything to say with this kit because I am not familiar and I didn't watch any single episodes of the Valvrave The Liberator, because at first, to be honest, at first I thought that this model kit came from the Majestic Prince, because that's the series that I'm familiar with, and I don't know about this Valvrave. But I got curious when I saw these models that it's from a different anime and it's not included in the Majestic Prince. That's why I intended to buy this from Bandai. And so let's check this kit out and let's see what's inside. Pangindiraan loose bits. The box art here looks very nice, and we can see the Valvrave 4 wielding its weapon, which looks like a yo-yo. So I got the interest of on buying this since it has a cool, unique weapon, which is not like the other kits that I have, and even on the mecha kits where this kit belongs. So it has, for me, the coolest and most unique weapon that it has. So it has a yo-yo here, and the design looks nice because I thought this is like a centaur due to the fact that it has a pseudo legs behind. But as I search the design of this kit, this acts as the booster for the model. So there, let's look in the side of the box. We can see here the model kit on its action-based stand, and pardon my chicken, he's crowing there, and there it can wield the super yo-yo. Let's just say it's a super yo-yo, and there it has green lightning effect parts and this whirling green flame parts. And there we have here the pseudo legs that I'm talking about a while ago, and this act as the booster for this model kit, or for the mecha suit on that anime. So there it has stands, it has interchangeable hands there, and the pilot is a girl. Yes, it's a girl, but I don't care. I don't know her, to be honest. And if you know her, just comment it to the comment section. This is the front view, and this is the rear view of the kit. And in the other side of the box, you can see some clips from the anime. And what I find nice in the designs of this kit are these neon green features here in the head. It looks really cool. It looks like punk artist, such as the one with I forgot those duo, that funk duo with the Weeknd. So it looks like their costume here, very nice. And yes, the pilot is a girl. Yes, she looks nice. She looks cute. And there we have here the straight build. I think no, this is already a painted one, I think, because this kit has a fucking tons of stickers included. So now let's open the box and let's see what's inside. And by the way, this is from a Bandai red logo label, and this is released in 2013. Yes, so this is quite old. 11 years old already if we're going to judge it. And this year is 2024, so yes, this is already 11 years old. So if we open the box here, we can see the instruction manual, and the instruction manual is not so appealing. It looks so boring. We don't see any cover page for that, and we only see immediately is the parts list. So the parts are that much. The parts are so small. It's that's how I can judge it. The parts are all small, so there are so many small parts being packed with this kit. So there we can see how the kit will be built on the process. So these are printed on black and white manner. And there we have here stickers. You can see the sticker placement. So this has a fucking ton of stickers, very boring. And there we can see how the kit's finished looks here, and you can attach it on the action base stand. Yep, there, and there are the effect parts included. So now we go to the contents of the kit. First thing we can see here, the clear effect parts, clear green effect parts, which is very nice. To be honest, I'm expecting a small pieces of this plastic, but I was surprised that these are large chunk of effect parts. So these are big and beautiful. It's elegant looking. Then we got here mostly gray and black parts and the fucking tons of stickers. So we got so much stickers here, and I wonder if I will just stick a small amount, since I don't like really putting stickers on my kits due to the fact that it will look very cheap. And there we got here green parts and gray parts, and again green parts and gray parts. And to be honest, I really like the shade of this kind of green. It's not so toyish looks. And we got here gold runners or circle pieces here for the yo-yos, and we got white parts there, and another clear green, but this time this is not that lighter than this green here. Much like the color of this clear green here compared to this one. So this is very nice. This one is very nice. And there are another gray parts and green parts, and there black parts or dark yes, black and gray parts, then black parts again and green parts. And yes, this is the punk design clear plastic or clear green plastic here for the head, which is very nice. And there are poly caps as well, and white parts here. And finally we got this action base stand included. Before we review the runners here, let me just emphasize the size of this kit. And In the box, we cannot see if this is a high grade or a master grade, but after I research about this kits from the Valvrave The Liberator model kits, this is about the size of a 1 in 144 scale. So this is a 1 in 144 scale as packed, but judging the appearance of the kit after it was or after some builders finished this kit, it is about the size of an average or small master grade model, about the size of a Gundam Wing model kits. And judging here the size of the interchangeable hands here, this gray parts here, this is about the size of a master grade hand. It's exactly like a master grade hand. So this is a big kit. And the torso here, as we can see here, it's like the wing kits frame or frame size. And this is a gray parts, and this is runner C1, your runner C1 here. Then we got here black parts for the runner A1, or the black inner frame parts. Green armor pieces here, runner E1. Black parts here for runner M1. Green parts here for armor pieces. This is K2. We have here gray parts for runner L2. And there we got another hand parts there, about the size of a master grade Gunpla. We got this runner K1 here for the green armor pieces. We got gray parts here, runner L1 for the inner frame. And again, there are two handsets there, back of the hands or the dorsum part of the hands. We got here runner C2 for the gray parts. We got runner A2 for these black parts here. We got this small runner here, tiny parts, runner Q1. Yes, this is runner Q1. We got this gold parts for the yo-yo. It's runner N. And we got clear parts here for the runner P. Black parts for runner M2. And small runners here, runner E2. And there we got white parts here, runner F. And tons of polycaps. We got polycaps here. And finally this amazing clear yellow green parts for the head to make it cyberpunk looking character. And there we got this tons of foil stickers, color correcting stickers, and I bet I might use a small amount only for this stickers, and I will not put all of this because it will look cheap on the kit. And I didn't open yet this clear green runners here for the effect parts, because I might sell this in the future, or I don't plan, as for now I don't plan on using this. Maybe I'll just keep it or sell it in the future. Okay, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Thank you for watching this unboxing of this model kit Valvrave 4 from the Valvrave The Liberator Mecha anime series of 2013. So, goodbye, God bless, take care, thank you very much, masalama, auf Wiedersehen, paalam sa inyong lahat.